Man, what's the damn deal, YouTube? It's your girl Key Grills. You know what I'm saying? Study for show. That's me. Basically, like I say, this is my first YouTube or whatever. So I'ma go ahead and get up on that track, Drop the World by Lil Wayne. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do it like this. Like real nigga shit. Hey, freestyle. Say, my head going, my shit spinning. Step up on the damn scene, nigga, I'ma win it. I'm in it to get it, nigga, yes, I'm straight throated. I don't give a fuck, I can't let these niggas straight up know. Ain't never been no fucking bitch, ain't never been no fucking no. Fuck around with me and I'ma let these bitch ass niggas know. This is what it is, dawg. Bitch, you really want the beats? Fuck around with me and you can catch the 9 million. Hold up, I'm really, I keeps it trilling. I pop my nigga, pop a pilly. Hold up, that's real shit, but you keep it so gangster. And I ain't never been a motherfucking gangster. Well, I'ma pick the world up and I'ma drop it on the fucking head. And I'ma pick the world up and I'ma drop it on the fucking head. Motherfucker, I'm gone. I'm gone. Hey, like what they do, baby. Yeah, it's Key up in this bitch, and if I catch you off guard, to make your bitch ass flinch. See you wear a lot of brand, cause your ass full of shit. Say you wanna fuck with me, you better bring your click. Say you like lollipops so you can suck on my dick. Cause I got a lot of trees and I don't fuck with no trees. These bitch niggas at the mad cause I fuck they bitch. But it's all up in my gang cause I speak real shit. Hey, I'ma pick the word up and I'ma drop it on the fucking head. I'ma pick the word up and I'ma drop it on the fucking head. Motherfucker, leave earth, motherfucker, I'm gone. Hey, I'm gone. I be that good love, that killer, deeper than night. Fuck around with me, nigga, get stabbed by my knife. Want me cut up your feet and throw your ass up in the creek and put your ass up in the river. Lots of Jeffrey Dahmer speak. Ain't no me, but I'm a soldier. Bitch, I thought I told ya. Knock your motherfucking head up off your fucking shoulder. If he didn't kill you, fuck with me, it's game over. I'ma go ahead and tell a nigga straight, hold up. This is what you want. No, this ain't what you want. When I step up on the scene, nigga, I ain't gon' break the phone. I'm too real and I'm too walking. I'm too player buddy. Oh, when I step up on the scene, I can't let these niggas know that I pick the world up and drop it on top of fucking head. I don't give a fuck, my nigga, cause a nigga ain't scared. A nigga ready for whatever, my nigga. I step up on the scene, I keep my hand up on my trigger. Hey, and I'm a motherfucking go-getter. Fuck with me, nigga, be a fucking hair splitter. Hold up a wing splitter, nigga, let's split up. And I don't give a fuck, fucking nigga on a big dipper, trippin'. Hey, I'ma pick the world up, yeah. I'ma pick the world up and I'ma drop it on the fucking head. Motherfucker, motherfucker, I'm gone. Yeah, I'm gone. Bitch, fuck a bitch, fuck a bitch, fuck a hoe. Yeah, fuck a bitch, man, and fuck a hoe. You feel me? That's what it is, YouTube. Freestyle. Alright, get back at your boy, Key Grills.